So we are starting with the exercise of chart work for allying and counteracting. And before that, for allying and counteracting method, you can check the videos which I will give you the link. So the first example is from 1500 hours, the ship is sailing at 6 knots, steering a course of 230 degrees true. The current is setting at 120 degrees true at a rate of 1.4 knots. So determine by plotting what we have to determine. DR position at 1630 hours, similarly like last question. Estimated position at 1630 hours at a result of the current. Course made good and the speed made good. So you can start with your notebooks and start solving this question. So only change here is the 6 knot. So 1500 hours position is given in the question, but since we are doing in the rough, so we can just take any position. Assume this is your 1500 hours position and ship is moving 230 at 6 knots for 1.5 hours. That is 1500 to 1630 hours because we need 1630 hours positions. So that means for 1.5 hours, it will be 9 knots, 9 miles at 6 knots. So from 1500 hours, we plot 230 by your compass and then you mark an arc of 9 miles. You can take the scale, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 mile, depending on your size of your paper, and you mark 9 miles distance. So this is your course to steer vector of your triangle. And this is DR position at 1630 if there was no wind and current. Now we have the course to steer. So this is your allowing method. And in allowing method, first we apply the leeway. But here we don't have any leeway. So we will directly apply the current. And in allowing method, we apply the current in the final position. The current is setting 120 at 1.4 knots. So for 1.5 hours, we will find the current and we will find the estimated position at 1630. So that will be 2.1 nautical miles for 1.4 knots. For 1.5 hours will be 2.1 knots. So we mark the current 120 in the direction of 120, 2.1 miles. So current is always towards, as we have seen, and the arrows are 3 arrows denoting for the current and 1 arrow for course to steer. So just cut an arc from your compass of 2.1 miles and then you join from the initial position 1500 to this estimated position and you will get your 1630 estimated position. Estimated position 1630. So estimated position is denoted by this triangle and when you join this will be course made good and speed made good and denoted by 2 arrows. So ship was moving at 23, ship is steering 230 and the current was setting 120 and course made good came to be 2. So the ship is steering throughout 230 and because of the current setting 120 it is moving on a course of 216. So now how to measure? Initially you draw this 1500 hours position and you can make this as your like cardinal points. So this is north, south, east, west. So from here this is 230, that is um, This is 230. So from 180 you put 50 degrees, and once you join this, whatever you measure, you can measure this angle again, and this will be somewhat 36, so it will be 216. Also, if you have vector, you can measure from here. You put, you can extend this line and you can measure here, and you can understand that this is 180 and this is 36, so 216. So we get, so this is allowing method. We have allowed for the current and we get the estimated position. So this is the animation. The ship is steering 230, but moving on course made good because of this current. Distance covered, we will measure. This distance is 8.5 miles. Time is 1.5 hours. So speed made good is 5.7 knots. So you can measure now your distance made good and speed made. Now we are going to see the effect of wind, that is leeway. Now when leeway and set are both present, we first apply the leeway as we know for allowing methods. And it will give two estimated position, one after leeway and one after leeway and current. So let's see how we solve the sail questions. 1500, you have the vessel's position. For rough, you can assume any position. We go on a course of 230 degrees. Set rate we have, and let's see what is our wind and leeway. So northerly wind is causing a leeway of 10 degree again, as we had seen. So northwesterly wind, we know that in the allowing method, where do we put the wind? Towards the wind or away from the wind?
Sir, away from the wind.
Yes. So wind is coming from northwest, we move away from the wind and we get the leeway track as 240. Now we again put 9 miles arc and we get the first estimated position after the leeway, and then we apply the current.
9 mile arc.
Yes, because the speed is 6 knots for 1.5 hours, that's 9 miles arc.
Yes,
And
yes,
we
got it.
get first estimated position, and from that 120 is the current. Rate is 1.4 for 1.5 hours, 2.1 miles. So we cut 2.1 miles and we get estimated position 2. It is the final position at 1630, which is asked. And next thing is asked our course made good. So we will measure this, and then it is asked our distance and the speed made good. So measure this distance and divide by 1.5 to get the speed made good.
Yes, got it.